Do you have a doctor here? Yes, I am. What's your specialty? I'm a doctor in mathematics. My friend is dying! -1. You're welcome, that'll be $2,000, cash or credit. 163 divided by 326. Let's see, you gotta cross out this and then... I'm gonna kill you! Calm down! I swear I'm... Me solving a problem without using the teacher's method. My teacher. Wait, that's illegal. What's sine q divided by cosine q? Tan q? You're welcome. Measures hypotenuse using a ruler. Pythagoras watching in heaven. I lived for one reason and you threw it away! Sine of go divided by cosine of go equals tan go. I'm feeling dancy already. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is your pain? Pi. Pi? Yeah, low level but never ending. Math teacher seeing this meme. Move only one match to fix the equation. Listen here, you little crap. X exists. Mathematicians. I don't know who you are, but I will find you. Math teacher. Suppose you have 5 friends. Me. Accountant needed. 35,000 to 40,000 pounds. Hello? Hi Gary, I just seen your advert. Oh, yes? There's no need for an accountant. The answer is -5,000 pounds. Simple geometry. Pentagon, hexagon, octagon, Oregon. My brain is gone after seeing this. Radius, diameter. Real Madrid. Imaginary Madrid. Be rational. Get real. Math jokes. If you get them, you probably don't have any friends. I kid you not, I think my teacher had this on her wall. How to start a conversation with a girl. Hi. Wrong. Did you know that I to the power of I is a real number? Correct. Take notes, fellas. Oh god. When will it end? Pie eating contest. Nobody. Math teachers on the first day of school. We are 4 parallel universes behind schedule. If you have constant problems, then just differentiate. Free Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi password is the first 10 digits of the answer. Me and my calculator. I'm gonna do what's called a pro gamer move. Fight smarter, not harder. Me. Solve the hardest question of the paper. Solved only the hardest question on the paper. It took me half an hour. Press your forehead every time you write wrong answer. Me after the math exam. I get the feeling this isn't making me smarter. This version of Pokemon is nowhere near as fun. A wild expositional function appeared. You use differentiate. It's not very effective. Oh my god, they made math fun. What do you call a snake that's exactly 3.14 meters long? What? A python. Get him! Don't let him escape! I'll kill him! Hey, how do I get a job? How do I pay taxes? How do I buy a new house? School. Well, actually, quadratic formula. Yeah, that totally helps. Learning math out of curiosity. Learning math for school. When you finally understand calculus, but you realize now you have no friends. This has to be the worst trade deal in the history of trade deals, maybe ever. When the whole class is fighting over whether the answer is 17 or 18, but you got 157. Me trying to make a beautiful G, or Z, or whatever, I'm not a nerd. Expectation. Reality. Listen, kid, I don't have much time. The prime number pattern is... Study higher math for your career. Study higher math to understand math memes. You hear that? If you made it this far, you're a genius. When you solve a math problem 3 times and get a different answer each time. Talking to my ex. Talking to my Y. talking to my cousin. Me and the boys getting a tan. Me committing arson. Yeah, we're just gonna ignore that they misspelled talking like 3 times. My friend, so what exactly do mathematicians do? Me, what do you think we do? My friend, Michael says prime numbers for 3 hours. Math students, procedures, conceptual understanding, historical context. When you have no idea what's going on in math class, but you don't want to ask a question because you don't even know enough to know what to ask. So you just sit there like, I bet he's thinking about other women. 10 minus 8 equals 2, but if I'm on episode 8 out of 10 of a show, I only have 3 episodes left to watch. Math classes be like, geez, did I time travel? The volume of a cylinder is found using the formula V equals pi r squared h. Using pi equals 5, r equals 10, and h equals 10, find the volume V. Pi is what? Broccoli. Feeling. Turn that frown upside down. The parenthesis would still look the same because of its horizontal symmetry. Reflect that frown among its vertical axis. Much better. This is the best batch of croissants I've made so far. Look at that Fibonacci sequence on the interior. That's how you know you made it right. When your salary is $20,000 and your son's school fee is $25,000, and you hear him saying 1 plus 6 equals 16. Yep, we're screwed. 2 coffees, please. 2 coffees, please. Insert math here. Coffees, please. Yeah, I'm a mathematician. Okay, then name all the digits in pi. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's on me. I set the bar too low. Me doing other people's math problems. Me doing my own math problems. Looking at math memes. Actually doing math. Finally found the square root. The square root of the tree is 1.73. I don't know what that means, but it rhymes. Remember math? This is him now. Feel old yet? Just fell asleep at the beach and woke up with a hideous tan line. No. Nope. Yesn't. Yopent. Inverse function of yes. Teachers act like this is how the world will be. Speed limit 2x equals 360 divided by 4. Solve for x. Oh, that's easy. You just gotta divide the 2 and then the... Don't math and drive. A fraction! No one. Characters and math problems. I've got plenty of watermelons in my trunk. Pythagoras was born in 580 BCE. Houses in 581 BCE. Are you doing math problems for fun? Yeah, I love being mentally challenged. Well, I'm glad you've come to terms with it. Thanks! Wait a minute. When I see a sentence starting with, a bag contains balls, this is math, not anatomy! The geometry is too complicated to explain here, but cutting a sandwich diagonally gives you more sandwich. Just trust me on this one. When you celebrate 420 on 1/5 because you know how to reduce fractions. Yeah, this is big brain time. Find GF. Trust me, I'm trying. Your answer was 40.25. Correct answer was 40 1/4. That's incorrect. My dad, who's a math teacher, sent me this with the caption, I've had it with these muffin-sucking planes on this muffin-sucking plane. I mean, it is a plane. Did you know? Japan's flag is a pie chart of how much Japan is Japan. The more you know. This isn't even my final form. No, it doesn't affect my baby. 12 years later. Perpendicular. When odd numbers are added to other odd numbers. We're even now, buddy. How many strawberries did we squeeze in? 22. How did they even find 1 bajillion strawberries? My math teacher asked me why my shirt said the square root of the answer. I swear to God. My powers have doubled since the last time we met, Count. Good. Twice the pride, double the fall. That's not how exponentials work. Multiplying by the power of 2 is equivalent to squaring the entire expression. When the squad discusses number theory, but there's that one friend who doesn't even know what a polynomial is. Well, of course I know that friend. He's me. What episode are you on? Me, 25. But yesterday you were on episode 4. Don't think about it. 9-year-old me seeing letters in math. 16-year-old me seeing a number in math. It's been so long!